To make a professional logo, no longer need to hire a graphics designer because AI logo makers make the process very easy and simple. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a professional logo with free using AI. So let's start it. Just open a browser and search here designs.ai. After creating logo, you must sign in the website or create a new account like me. Go with Google, select your own email, select your country and then start it. These AI websites have creative solutions including logo makers, video makers and also design makers. The logo maker tool helps to create awesome logo for us. So just click on the logo button and then put your company name here. For example, I wanna make a logo for my restaurant and the logo name is Calorie Hype. And then click Get Started. Then pick your logo industry here. I just pick food and restaurant industry here. Just select your favorite category here. I just go with the first one and then click the next. Then if you wanna add slogan here or just keep it and click on the next, then you can see a wide range number of logo style. Just select 5 style and click the next. Then select your favorite color here. I just go with a random color and click next. Then you can see the add icon option here. You can search here for your icon or pick 5 randomly icon, then click the next. Here just wait few seconds because this AI already started generating our logo. After few seconds you can see the result. If you wanna make more, just click on the more option. It's automatically generate logos for us. Then just pick 5 logos here and click the next. Now it's automatic create project about Calorie Hype. You can edit icon, font, colors and many more. So if you wanna go with this logo, okay, just take a screenshot and save it in your computer and you can use it freely anywhere. So that's it. If you find this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, comment and share. And don't forget to what you see the next video. Thanks for your time.